Finally, I am now eligible. So, and for those of you, if you're logging into your account and you're still yet not eligible, I'm also going to explain how you can actually quickly get the eligibility badge. Not only that, I'm going to talk briefly on how you can mint and trade your NFT. So welcome everyone to Digitest. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you join our Telegram channel. Link in the description of this video. This morning I saw that the issue and the bug with ineligibility because of 3 active mates had been resolved. So if you're having the eligibility problem as a result of 3 active mates, you can check now. You'll see that it has been resolved. So this is the page you're going to see, and from here you discover that I have 3 vouchers, and here there is 10,000 pause. Probably that is the NFT they are talking about, and below it says you are eligible. Then not only that, it said you are in queue. So I've been trying to actually check this since yesterday. Maybe the claim option button will be available. I discovered that yet it's not yet available. Now this is what I want you to show when the time for claiming will be done. So here you're going to see the claim button, and when you claim and mint your NFT, you're going to see it in the wallet you have connected here. You can see. So I connected my Tonkeeper wallet. Now I'm going to take you to my Tonkeeper. So this is my Tonkeeper wallet. So if you come here in your wallet, you see collectible. Can you see? So when you click on collectible, that is where your NFT will be found. You can see here now, the W-Coin NFT is not yet here. And if you want to trade it, this is where you actually come to. You can see browser. So when you come to the browser section, if you scroll down, you're going to see NFT. You can see NFT. Then you click on get gems. You can see this is the only place where the NFT can be traded. So you click on get gem, then it will load. Then I think what you're going to do is to actually search for the NFT, which is W-Coin. You can see from here we have explore. Okay, here at the top you can see search. So when you click on search, you're going to search for W-Coin. So here on this collection, you click on NFT. So you're going to search for NFT. Then here we go. Here, NFT W-Coin. So I think that is the one. So you're going to click here. It said not for sale. I don't think the NFT says I've actually started, but as soon as you have mint your NFT, you can just click on here to make an offer. Then you select the duration. That's if you want to buy, rather. If you want to buy, you can just make your price and you can sell it. So if you've actually minted your NFT, you discover that there will be options here. But one thing, option for you to actually sell it here, or you take offer from those who are willing to buy. Then another thing you need to understand here, you can see here under history, you can see nothing has been done. So by implication, the trading have not started. Now let's go back to our W-Coin. So this is our W-Coin. If you are facing ineligibility issue yet, do this to be eligible. So now if this has already been resolved, that's the 3 active mates. Now for you to actually, if you're having problem with tax, you can simply go to the tax section and get it completed. So campaign 2 campaign tax, you can actually get this thing done quickly. Then 1 WK transaction, you can actually get this completed. Then this can be completed now. Then the only one, this also can be completed if you just connect your wallet. Then the only one that can be completed that has ended is here. I believe you should have been able to complete this. So the rest that I've made mention, I'm going to show you how you are going to get it completed quickly. Now if you want to complete your tax, you can come here. You can see the tax section. Here you can easily complete your normal tax. You can see a lot of tax are here. Then campaign tax, you can see all these are campaign tax. You can come here and get it completed. You know, there's campaign tax, so you can actually get it completed. Then WK transaction, if you come to my trial, you can come here and make any transaction here. Then which other one? Okay, this you can actually come here under WAI and actually get that done. All you need is just 100. So I believe if you do this will actually help you to actually mint your 3 NFT quick and easy. So do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you join our Telegram channel. Link in the description of this video. See you at the top.